The chapter 9, ratio and proportion. Ratio. Ratio is the way of comparing two numbers by division. The symbol stand for ratio we read is 2. Exercise 9.1. Find the ratio of 1 rupees to 50 paisa. 1 rupees upon 50 paisa. Now 1 rupees converted to a paisa, 100 paisa. 51 is 50, 52 is 100. Now 2 ratio 1. 1 meter to 600 centimeter. 1 meter upon 600 centimeter. 1 meter converted to 100 centimeter. 0 0 cancel, answer is 1 upon 6. Question 2. Express the given ratio in the simplest form. 24 ratio 36. Read down the table of 12. 12 to the 24, 12 to 36. Now ratio comes to 2 by 3. Now D part 2 ratio 1.5. First of all, cancel out the 0.5 and go to the numerator in 10. Multiply 20 upon 15. 5 3 15, 5 4 20. Ratio come to 4 by 3. Now F part 16 upon F. 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 16. Now ratio comes to 2 by 1. Question 4. Write the two equivalent ratio for the following. 2 ratio 3. Now numerator and denominator both multiply 2 and 3. First time multiply 2, second time multiply 3. 2 2 is 4, 3 2 is 6. 2 3 is 6, 3 3 is 9. The equivalent ratio of 2 by 3 is 4 ratio 6 and 6 ratio 9. Point B, 5 ratio 7. 5 into 2 upon 7 into 2. 5 into 3 upon 7 into 3. 10 upon 14 and 15 upon 21. The two equivalent ratio of 5 by 7 is 10 is to 14 and 15 is to 21. Question 5. A bullock cart traveled 36 km in 3 hours and a train traveled 120 km in 2 hours. Find the ratio of the speed. A bullock cart traveled 36 km in 3 hours. Speed of the bullock cart, distance upon time, 36 upon 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, not 12 km per hour. Train travel 120 km in 2 hours. Speed of the train, distance upon time. Distance 1 upon 20, time is 2. 260 is 120, 60 km. Now speed of the bullock cart upon speed of the train. 12 upon 60. 12 1 is 12, 12 5 is 60. 1 ratio 5 is your answer. Now second point is proportion. Equality of two ratio is called a proportion, and we say that the four numbers are in proportion. Exercise 9.2. Are the number 3, 9, 9, 27 in a proportional? Multiply by extreme terms. Product of extreme term equal to 3 into 27 equal to 81. And product of mean term 9 into 9 is equal to 81. Product of extreme equal to product of mean. Number 3, 9, 9, 27 are in proportion. Question number 3. The first and third term of a proportion are 7, 14 and 25 respectively. Find its fourth term. Let the fourth term is x. 7 upon 14 is equal to 25 upon x. Now x is equal to 25 into 14 upon 7. 7 to the 14, 25 to the 50. 50 is your answer. Question 4. Find the value of x. 7 ratio 5 is equal to x upon 30. 30 goes to the numerator. 5 is 30, 7 is 42, 42. Answer. Point B. X upon 18 is equal to 14 upon 20. 18 goes to the numerator. 7 3 is 21, 7 2 is 14, 3 6 is 18, 6 2 is 12. X equal to 12. Answer. Now question number 6. Find the mean proportion between the number 5 and 20. Let the mean proportion between 5 and 20 be x. So 5 upon x equal to x upon 20. X multiply x equal to x square. 5 20 is 100. Now 100 is square of the 10. Now x value of x equal to 10. Question number 7. Find the third proportion for 2 and 140. Let the third proportion be x. 2 upon 144 and 144 upon x. Now x is equal to 144 into 144 upon 2. Now 144 multiply 144 equal to 20736. Now divided by 1036 are 8. Answer. Question number 9. What number must be subtracted from the each of the number 30, 50, 65 and 113 to get the number in proportion? Let number x be subtracted in each number. 30 minus x, 50 minus x, 65 minus x, and 130 minus n number are in proportion. 30 minus x upon 50 minus x, 65 minus x upon 130 minus. Now cross multiply. 30 minus x multiplied by 130 minus x equal to 50 minus x is multiplied by 65 minus x. 30 multiplied by 113 is 3390. X 113 multiplied by x 113x. X multiply 30 30x. X multiply x x square minus plus. 50 multiply 65 32 65. 65 minus x. X multiply 50 minus 50x minus x plus x square. Now 113x minus 30x equal to 143x. Minus 65x minus 50x equal to 115x. X square cancel. 30 to 50 goes to the second side is minus sign. 3390 minus 3250. And 144 goes to the second side goes to the plus sign. 143 minus 115. Here is 150 upon 28. Now answer comes to 5. Exercise 9.3. The cost of 17 chair is rupees 19210. Means 19,210. Find the number of such chair can be purchased rupees 1,13,000. Number of chairs 17. Here cost 19,210. Here x let allow 1,13,000 rupees. These are direct variation. Now 17 upon x equal to 19,210 upon 1,13,000. Cancel out the zeros and cross multiply. 17 into 11 300 equal to 1921x. Now 1921 goes to the numerator. 17 multiply. Now 1921 00 upon 1921. 1921 1921. Now answer is 100. Question number 4. 36 men can build a wall in 20 days. How long will 24 men take to build the same wall? Men 36, number of days 20. 24, let here x days. This is indirect variation. So 24 into x equal to 36 into 20. Now 24 goes to the denominator. Cancel out this number. Now 6 5s are 30 days. Question number 6. Sasi has enough money to buy 60 apples at the rate of rupees 3 per apple. How many apples can she buy in the same amount if the price is increased by 60 paisa per apple? 60 apple at the rate of rupees 3. 60 apple at the rate of rupees 3. Total amount 60 into 3 is equal to rupees 180. If price of per apple increase 60 paisa, new price of per apple is equal to rupees 3 rupees 60 paisa. Same amount by number of apple 180 upon 3 rupees 60 paisa is equal to 50. Answer. A bus cover a distance in 3 hours at the speed of 45 km per hour. How long will it take to cover the same distance at the speed of 30 km per hour? Bus covers a distance in 3 hours at the speed of 45 km per hour. So distance is equal to speed multiplied by time. Distance cover equal to 45 into 3 is equal to 135 km. If distance in same and speed in 30 km per hour, not time taken. Distance upon speed 135 upon 30. Now cancel out the 3 45 is 135. Now 45 upon 10 equal to 4.5 hours.